Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add your Smart Band 10 to the Xiaomi app. So as you guys can see, here we have our Smart Band 10. Now what we gotta do is scan this QR code. So go to scanner in the, let me show you the Mi Fitness app. And here now we need to find the QR code. Now it's connecting, and as you guys can see, now we have a pairing request made from iPhone XR, so we're just gonna accept that. Now let's confirm it on our phone, and we want to allow the notifications. Now as you guys can see, it's connected successfully. So here you guys can just like click resume, and now click next. After that, you'll have an option to update your software, and basically as you guys can see, the watch is connected. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.